It was the year 1916. Brothers John and Walter Wegman learned from their parents how to sell food, thus beginning Wegmans' empire. 100 years later, no, 101 years later, they've become a household name. There was one thing missing. Eating involved chocolate?
Wegmans, Wegmans, why won't you carry our chocolate? Wegmans, Wegmans, please won't you carry our chocolate? Wegmans, Wegmans, why won't you carry our chocolate? Wegmans, Wegmans, please won't you carry our chocolate? We sell coconut butter cups, primal chocolate bars, and keto cups too. And they're paleo gluten-free, non-dairy soy free. It's food, not candy.
Don't take it from us, though. Take it from Sarah.
Wegmans, Ocean Township, New Jersey.
Samantha.
Wegmans 100% Sterling, Virginia. And for my friends back at home, Wegmans in Buffalo, New York.
And Jen.
Wegmans, Cherry Hill, New Jersey. Please, please, please.
Wegmans, Wegmans, why won't you carry our chocolate? Wegmans, Wegmans, please won't you carry our chocolate? Wegmans, Wegmans, why won't you carry our chocolate? Wegmans, Wegmans, please won't you carry our chocolate?
Come on, this is ridiculous.